Hey everyone, it's your favorite YouTuber here. Okay, it's 12 a.m. and I'm trying to edit something. So I thought, why not get you guys along with me? So I got this raw picture from somewhere, and I am going to edit this with you guys. So let's go. To edit a picture's, filters, give it a little filter to colorize it a little bit. So you have to go in filter and go in camera raw filter. If you do not have that option in Photoshop, you have to download camera raw filter. Basically, it comes with every Photoshop, but yeah, there are some softwares that do not have it. Some places where you download from. Okay, so as you can see, we have our picture right over here. Okay, I'm just gonna drag my screen a little side. Okay, so we have to edit this girl's picture. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, in basic, we have to select the temperature, what kind of temperature we want. I think a little bluish would be better, cause I think that's better. And a little green, or as a little magenta, because it shows up I don't know what these are, flowers? It's purple stuff, I don't remember the name exactly, but we're gonna call this flowers for now. Exposure, I want to be a little light. I want that color of purple to show. Contrast, I'm thinking a bit higher. Oh, okay. A bit higher, yeah. I like that. Okay, shadows, I'm thinking a little lower. Whites, let's make sure it goes a little high. No, I'm gonna lower the whites so we can actually see the girl. And we're gonna make sure the blacks are lower. Yeah. Now, dehaze. Okay, what are we gonna do in the dehaze section? Is that? I like that. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's high. It's looking good. The vibrance, I'm thinking. Okay, it gives a black effect when you go over there. So if we go here, ooh, do you see that? So if we go higher vibrance, it's giving a lot color, which I think it's so beautiful. But if I go back a bit, it gives this black effect that I think I really like. But I'm thinking vibrance to be not this. I'm thinking vibrance to be higher because it shows more color. So I like the vibrance that I've given right now. Then we go in the curve. The curve is the most fun part because there we determine the levels of the brightness and everything. It gives a little texture, so I'm thinking to be a little higher. A little, yeah. I think that's gonna be the curve. The color mixer is also really amazing. Here we determine how much we want the color opacity to be. So I don't want the girl's face to be red, so I'm doing that. Oranges, I'm gonna remove that. So, okay, now I'm gonna go a little. She goes really pink if I do that, so I'm just gonna go lower it, or mediocre amount a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Greens is the background, so we're gonna have to give that a little color, let's just say. So I'm gonna give it a little color right over here. Yeah, I like the greens like that. The aquas are gonna be greens as well. Okay, where's the aqua? Okay, green. The blues, her shirt is blue, and the flowers are gonna get that color, obviously. So we go for purple. We don't want the sky to be purple, so a little over there. Okay, I like that. And then the purples. Oh, okay, I don't know what to do for this one. I think, yeah, I like this now. It looks really pretty. Okay, the magentas. Okay. Ooh, I think I like this. Now, color grading, we don't really need to give this. Optics, nah, I'm not thinking. No geometry. Windshining, I think, might help. So I think, yeah, there we go. And calibration, if I say, gotta tint this over the purple side, I'm thinking. And yeah, I'm not doing anything else with the blues. Okay, no. No. I think we're done now. Now, if you see it, the before and after, look at this. Beautiful. Mwah, I love this. Looks so pretty. Like, yeah. Yeah, it's super changed, and I like how it looks right now. Really, really amazing. Okay. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and save this, and look at the big difference. I think I like this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, so we have learned how to give a really good raw filter effect. So thank you so much for watching, and tune in for the next video.